Okay, with this video, we are going to be adding wall cabinets to the model, okay? As soon as I get there we go. All right. So you see I've, from the previous video, let me do a zoom extents here. I've added, I think, all of the perimeter base cabinets, okay? I've added those, okay? Good. So now I want to start to add the wall cabinets. There we go. This is the perspective that I want. Good, good, good. Okay, so let me zoom in just a little bit like this. Good. What I want to do, I want to hide this space cabinet right here, right? Okay, so I'm going to select it here. Good. And I'm going to go to edit here, and I'm going to go hide. Okay, now, if you are using 30-inch wall cabinets from the floor to the top of your wall cabinet is going to be 7 feet. If you're using 42-inch high wall cabinets from the bottom of the floor to the top of the wall cabinet, it's going to be 8 feet. So I'm using 30-inch wall cabinets. So I hit that corner cabinet so I can just see the corner here. So I could come over here and use my measuring tool, okay, and establish a point there, keep it on axis, and type in 7 feet because I'm using 30-inch wall cabinets. 7 feet, good. And that gives me a reference point right there, which is going to be the top of my 30-inch wall cabinets. So now I can go to the warehouse. Okay, and now I can search for, and I've already inputted it here. I can search for craft-made Putnam wall cabinets, okay? So I want to scroll down. Let's expand this. And I want to scroll down because I'm starting in that corner because I have an easy reach 30-inch wall cabinet. So let me see if I can find that. Easy reach 30-inch wall cabinet, starting in a corner. Okay, I think here it is right here. Good. Can I come back up a little bit so I can see it better? Jeez. Okay, here it is right here. Okay. See if I can download that. Yes. Okay, now I just want to take it over to my wall. See, if I bring it down here at a floor, it gets kind of confused as to where I want to place it. But I want to place it against the wall. Pardon me. It gives me the proper orientation. So all I have to do now is move it. So let's select it. Oops. Skip out of it. Okay, let's come in here. Let's move it. I want to move it to. Okay, from this point here. Okay, I'll move it to my reference point. Where's my reference point? Right there. I think that should work. Okay, let me zoom in and see where I am. I don't want to be inside the wall there, so let me see. Let me see if I can move it again. See where I am. Okay. All right, so I want to move it. Well, it is what it is. So I'm going to move it from this point to make sure, okay. That's the point that I have. So I'm going to move it to there. My reference point, good. And I'm just going to leave it alone. Okay, cool. It's good now. It's great. It's great. Because it was a little hidden in the wall over here, but now everything's fine. It's just touching the wall. That's what I want. Okay, so I have my corner cabinet in. Okay. Okay, let's see if I can modify the height. Let's see what's going on with the height of it. So I'm going to right click and go to dynamic input. See if I have any other options. Good. Yep. I want to choose a 30-inch height here. See left or right. I think I want it to be hinged to the right. So let's 30-inch right. Where's that right there? 30-inch. Good. So it changed my height. Move this out of my way. Yep. And my knob, my pull is on this side. So that's good. All righty. All right, so I have that corner cabinet in. It's 30 inches high, and the top of it's 7 feet from the floor, which is good. Okay, I'm just going to place another wall cabinet next to it. So I'm going to go back to the warehouse. Well, in fact, let's do it this way. Let's do it this way. Okay. I've already placed a wall cabinet. I did it a little earlier. Okay. I've already placed a wall cabinet here. Okay. Which is a single door, and I think that it is 18 inches wide. Let's see. Oh, yeah, that's right here. Yep, it is 18 inches wide. Okay, what I want to do, I want to copy that. I'm just going to, instead of going back to the warehouse, I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to, so I already selected, I'm going to go move and control key, see if I can copy it. I'm going to copy it from now when I place it, I now want to go to the, as I zoom out some more, I'm going to start my copy from what I'm calling the face frame. Well, I'm just going to move it right now. I'm just going to move it. Okay, move it. And I'm going to come in here. If you can see what I'm doing, I want to choose it from what I'm called right here, face frame. See that right there? If I can get to it, yeah, right there. That's the face frame. So I want to move it from the face frame to the face frame of this one over here. Okay, so I got to zoom in a little bit. Okay, face frame. I want it to match face frame to face frame. Okay, let's zoom out. Okay, it just wants to go further than what I want it to go. Zoom out again. Take my time. Zoom out. Zoom out. Zoom out. Okay, so I want to. Okay, I want to go to the space frame right there. Okay, good. Let's see how that looks. Okay, good. All right, so when you have the face frame touching, let's see, and I think I'm a little bit off right here. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to move it again so I can see it better now. So I want to move it from, where is this? I think it's right here. Yeah, I want to move it from here. Good. So you see what's happening? Wall cabinets, I want the face frames to touch. And that's going to leave a gap back here, which is fine, okay? But I want the face frames to touch. So that's how you're going to add the wall cabinets to the face frame, okay? All right. So, I thought I was copying it, but I'm actually moved it. All right. So let's see. Let's see. So let's see if I can really copy it this time instead of moving it. Okay. I'm going to select it here. Okay. I'm going to go move, and I'm going to hold down that Control key. Let's see if it's going to copy this time. Nope, still moving it. Okay. So let's Control Z out of that. See what I got to do. There we go. Control move. I'm just going to move it for a. Well, okay, all right. Thank you very much. Okay, slip out of that. Okay. There we go. Okay, now, I don't want to move it to face frame because, okay, let's move it back. Let's see what, so right now I'm just going to go in here and I'm just going to move it from this point here to this point right there. Okay. Yeah. From here to there. Good. And I'm going to do a zoom extension. Yeah. All right. It wants to be a little difficult with that, but that's okay. I got it. Okay, I got it. I want to move it here. To here. Okay, let's see. All right. Okay, I have a little overlap here with my face frame, so I'm just gonna move it again. Okay, I want to move it from. All right. There we go. Okay. So now the face frame is intact. So that's right. Good. I have a gap there. So that's where that should be. All right. So let's just escape out of that. Okay. Let's orbit, see how that's looking. Perfecto. Perfecto. All right. So that's how you're going to use that same process to add the wall cabinet's face frame to face frame.